Hi guys, so today we will unbox two cars today. Ferrari 488 Pitsta. I don't know what a Pitsta is, but yeah. And the Toyota Prius Custom. This is the like D case or F case or C case. I don't know. Yeah, let's open.
We don't open this one na lang. We don't open this one.
After nito.
2026 pa siya ko lang ako. Bago-bago lang.
Okay, it's look at this beauty. Na. And by the way, I'm gonna need I'm gonna need the Carter for like with okay.
Hintayin mo si Dada. Mag-iibi ikaw, ha? Si Dada.
But look at this beauty. So yeah, my dad gonna open this thing out from the case. Because yeah, I'm gonna keep the thing. And yeah, by the way, I just saw like the one that doesn't have this. Whatever it called. So yeah. Marker! Okay, so we got a 296 GTB. Let's shade it there. F40. And what's this? It's the
Sila Kim pala. Ang dami nilang malunggay. Sana na nagsabi ako para nagdala siya. Ginawa lang nilang bakot.
Dada, pa-help i-open tong
tayo dito.
case.
Papakita mo dito. Sabi ko
Dada,
600 yan dito.
i-help mo.
Mak, hindi ko na problema yan. Ako'y pagod na.
Hindi, ano mo. I'm gonna keep the case. The card. Okay, so as we wait for my dad to open it, this is the front, and this is the side, this is the back. Well, this looks like a LaFerrari. LaFerrari. But yeah, it's different. So yeah. Absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. Wait. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah, it's so small. It's the logo. So yeah, we're gonna put it in the safe seat. Huy!
Ay.
So
yan na.
guys,
Ulitin mo na naman yun.
So guys, yeah, let's. Yeah! So guys, so
Loko mo ko.
Wala akong ginawa.
oh, this I thought there was like no. The front. By the way, it's good. Rate this like 10 out of 10. I was gonna make a Kermit but with this, but yeah. Okay, so this is the front. This is the side. This is the top, by the way. Look at that. It's like roof box. And this is the back. It doesn't have color, but yeah, I'm gonna color it up. Or maybe my dad would color it up, but cause yeah, it will look. It will look bad. Yeah, I mean really. Okay, it's sponsored by CJS. I don't know what that, but yeah, Advan Race and RSR Star R. And also, I actually saw Miyata, two Miyatas that are premium, Honor 7. Yeah, so many. And I also found a Jeep and like a tuned, but yeah, this is what I picked, so yeah. Money, baby, 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 baby. And also, there's also this display. It's, yeah. Wait. I don't know if a Prius is a hybrid or not. Because it looks like a hybrid. So it might be a hybrid. Or cars are just like that. Looking hybrid. Yeah, just looking hybrid. Hybrid-ish. I don't know, but yeah. That's my guess. Look at these bodies. So yeah. I'm gonna get some of my Ferraris. Actually, there were only 3 Ferraris right before I got it. So yeah. And yeah, I have a lot of Toyotas. It's not. And look at that. It looks like it's carbon fiber. The human eye. Sorry if you guys can't see, but yeah. It really looks like carbon fiber. There's like the one that doesn't have a glove box. And this one has